Our minds remind us of the 10 bad habits that often make people instantly dislike someone with the clear understanding. Number 1. Arrogance. Admitting oneself to be better than others, looking down on others and displaying arrogance. Number 2. Disrespect. Being rude, disrespectful, or showing no respect to others. Number 3. Late. Always late for appointments or delaying assignments received. Number 4. Talks too much about himself. Men monopolize conversations by constantly talking about themselves and not caring about other people's feelings. Number 5. Slander. Spreading rumors or untrue information about other people. Number 6. Negative. Displays a very negative view of life, always complains, and never feels satisfied. Number 7. Aggressive. Being very aggressive, irritable and quick-tempered. Number 8. Not open. Limit each other from new experiences and ideas, and don't want to listen to other people's opinions. Number 9. Arrogant. Flaunting accomplishments or abilities and showing pride. Number 10. Judgmental. Giving bad judgment or criticism of others, not empathetic and not showing affection. By improving these habits, we can build positive relationships and enhance our reputation. If you find this video useful, then please give a like and share with your friends so we can keep making more of them videos like this. Press the subscribe button and remember to click bell notification too, and be sure to watch our other videos too. Thank you for watching.